From an all-electric coffee roaster to plant-based shrimp.
Rich DeMuro takes a look at the latest high-tech food trends in today's TechSmart.
At the Western Food Service and Hospitality Expo, sampling is encouraged. On display, everything from robots to plant-based shrimp.
It bites like a shrimp, tastes a lot like shrimp.
Cars and now coffee are going green.
We have invented a zero-emissions, fully electric coffee roaster.
United Robotics showing off Play-Doh, a robotic runner to deliver dishes.
What these are really designed to do is take away that mundane task, let the server be out at the tables with the customers, giving a better customer experience.
FoodSure is making a vending machine that can produce hot pizzas and pastas on demand in places like hospitals, airports, hotels, and schools.
Our focus is to make the comfort food and healthier food as well, ready in less than 3 minutes.
Texas Frozen Tech makes a machine called Top Churn. It creates gelato in 15 minutes and keeps it fresh until it's ready to serve.
That's it. It's the freshest gelato in the world.
Did I mention there were samples?
And this is made out of rice, plant-based pepperoni. Got the seasoning just right.
DrinkBot from Botrista creates customized drinks like lemonades and smoothies from a touchscreen.
So restaurant operators overall, they have a really big headache when it comes to training staff on recipes, just making drinks individually, and inconsistencies between those drinks.
The machine is fast and consistent and works with trickier liquids like thick fruit purees. And yes, AI is in the kitchen.
Right now we're making a fried rice. It's called a Yangzhou fried rice.
Baton Innovations AI cooking robot tells you when to add each ingredient. Many of these machines have the same goal.
Consistency 100%, every time outcome will be the same.
I'm Rich DeMuro and you are TechSmart.